Hi, hello and welcome back to Phoenix Dreams. This is Siddharth Sathe. We'll continue with our understanding of the human brain. What we spoke about last time is how you cannot think yourself into any emotions because of the way the brain's neural links are structured. That there are more neural links moving from the middle or the mammalian brain, the emotional brain, to the thinking brain on top. Now, let's understand exactly what happens and why does it happen that even though there are more links moving from the emotional brain to the thinking brain, we are not really able to control the emotions. And that is because although the emotional brain sends more signals to the thinking brain than vice versa, the thinking brain doesn't really become aware of these emotions being sent to it. The reason for this is because these emotions get processed in a sub-organ of the brain which is present just in between, it's at the front and is present in between the thinking brain and the mammalian brain or the emotional brain, and it is known as the anterior cingulate or anterior cingulate cortex. See, now this is the organ where all our habits and behaviors that we have gone through or we have exhibited throughout our life from our childhood have been stored. And that is why it is like an auto function that the anterior cingulate decides based on the situation that you are in what is the behavior that an action that you should exhibit just now based on what it has stored over a lifetime. And this is exactly what the hardwiring that I keep talking about means, because in the anterior cingulate are stored all your habits, all your behaviors for any specific situation. And that is the reason for your habitual behaviors that you exhibit. So what you can say is that emotional intelligence can also be defined as another thing. It can be when you become aware of your anterior cingulate and halt it from taking actions and let your thinking brain process and decide the behavior to be taken. That is also what emotional intelligence means, right? Great. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. Another 2-minute snippet. I hope that helps. Thank you very much for your time once again. Please keep watching Phoenix Dreams, and if you like what you watch, please share.